organize after sonke siyazi ukuthi last week kwenzakalene eZimbabwe. Comrade Robert Gabriel Mugabe stepped down as the leader of Zimbabwe. So i-function lezi yenze sa-invite thina ama-influential people ku-society, ama-politicians ethu ukuthi ebuye ezo-addressa abantu because abaningi siyakwazi ukuthi bayajabula bathi siyajabula iZimbabwe isizobuyela, umnotho usizobuyela ukuthi ibe iZimbabwe enhle, umnotho uzoba right. But thina sinokuthi kufanele sibheke ama-reflections ethu on what happened in Zim athini. That's why sibize laba ama-politics ukuthi bebuye bezo-explaina ukuthi bona bacabangani ngento eyenzakala eZimbabwe. Ukulunga kweZimbabwe na siyaqala futhi another chapter yokuhlupheka nokudubeka. That's the reason why we organize this event. So sinabantu from different political parties, lama